Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again with super trending recipe berry up. It's full healthy one for breakfast. Also, it's another version of fruit parfait. If you wanna eat something healthy and tasty, then go for it. Mostly your kids will love it. Keep watching. First, let's see the ingredients. This is for 4 servings. We want some oats around 3/4 cup. And of course, we want some berries. Here I am taking 1 cup strawberries and half a cup blueberries. You can take any berries for this. If you don't have berries, no problem. Take any fruit of your choice like mango, pineapple, grapes, pomegranate, apple, etc. And take an apple and a banana. The main ingredient for this recipe is yogurt. Here I am taking 1 small cup strawberry yogurt and a blueberry yogurt. Again, you can use plain yogurt instead. And we want some mixed nuts. Let's roast the nuts for a minute. In the same pan, add oats. Roast it for 1 or 2 minutes or until the raw smell is gone. Take it out and let it cool down completely. In the pan, add chopped strawberries. You can also add mango or pineapple instead. Then add a tablespoon honey. You can also use sugar. And 2 tablespoons water. Heat the pan. Cook until it becomes soft. After that, mash the strawberries and transfer into the bowl and keep it in the fridge. Do similarly adding blueberries. Again, can add grapes instead of blueberries. A tablespoon honey and 2 tablespoons water. Cook and mash and keep it in the fridge. To make this recipe, we want round bottle-shaped base with both sides open. Here I am taking a thick plastic sheet, roll it and stick the tape on the edges and our base is ready. Or you can also take a disposable cup and cut the bottom part and use it. Another option is take a plastic water bottle, cut these 2 parts and use it and keep aside. Chop the nuts, apple and banana. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons cooked and mashed strawberries. Adding 2 to 3 tablespoons strawberry yogurt, mix it together and keep it. In another bowl, adding 2 tablespoons cooked and mashed blueberries and 2 to 3 tablespoons blueberry yogurt and mix well and keep it aside. All are ready. Let's assemble our dessert. Place the round base on center of the plate. Gently add 2 tablespoons roasted oats into the round base. Then add chopped apple and banana, each 1 tablespoon on top of it. Next, add our yogurts, again 1 tablespoon each. Add some nuts and then add rest of the chopped apple and banana. Next layer, add a handful of cornflakes. Then add remaining blueberry yogurt mix, spread it evenly. And then remaining strawberry yogurt, again spread it evenly. Add some nuts. Finally, add 2 scoops ice cream. You can add any flavor of your taste. Add some nuts and drizzling 1 teaspoon strawberry syrup for garnishing. It's completely optional. And our dessert is ready. And it's plating time. Hold like this and pull it up slowly. Here you go. Our beautiful and healthy berry up is ready to be served. The taste is going to be next level. You can also serve this dessert on parties. Enjoy with every single spoon. That's all for today. Do try out and let me know your lovely feedback. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.